Bless up.
Bless up.
There's the curry.
Yeah, the curry goat.
Yeah.
This is all they grow in Jamaica.
They grow on the streets of Trenchtown.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have a goat pen nearby.
Yeah.
Here and over here.
Have they escaped or are they just
No,
free
they
range?
let them on free range.
Free range goats on the streets of Trenchtown.
Nobody know what them. I want a goat.
Yeah.
You've been here a long time, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me what life's like here.
I grew up with Bob.
Yeah.
And my plain truth, when Bob get food, if I have a 3 dumpling, him give away 2 and eat 1.
Yeah, you see, you're helping feed people, yeah.
Yes, me I want a Bob idol. It's a Tata and Bob and Georgie.
Yeah.
Them I grow with.
Got the fried chicken. Look.
So I've got the thigh.
Yeah.
Which piece did you have?
The breast.
The breast.
Yeah.
Peter's already stuck in. You go there several times a week, yeah, as much as you can.
As much as I
One thing
can.
still, you know.
Yeah. Let's try a piece of this.
One thing still, you know, get up food are the best food. Yeah, man, you want the best food and I get up. Yeah, man. I think black people need to tour, you know what I mean, the black community them in Jamaica. You see like all this, you know what I mean, YT man, the devil, him a tour and him a enjoy the sightseeing because sometimes they get up beautiful, you know, to an outsider, you know. You know what I mean? Somebody might come in at my garrison from another garrison and find my garrison interesting. We need to do that. You know what I mean? Go from place to place. And you know what we should do? We should start treat black people the way we treat white people. You see the welcoming them where we give white people for just come in our community and show them everything. We need to do that to black people. Show, be welcoming, kind. And then you'll find out so we not even need tourists. You're going to find out so we don't even need no tourists. We just need each other. You know what I mean?
Fried chicken. I'm going to go for this juicy piece. Already, this looks phenomenal. Trenchtown, juicy, Garrison fried chicken.
Nothing like the garrison.
Ah, that's
Worth it.
the best fried chicken I've ever had.
Worth it.
Mm.
Local.
That's the juiciest, crunchiest fried chicken.
Local. Worth it.
Mm. Oh, that's the place. Oh, that's the best fried chicken I've ever had. I like fried chicken. This is the king of fried chicken. That is next level fried chicken. Nigel, I knew you'd be eating. Where did you eat?
Some fried chicken and pork, but me eat off the pork already.
So I think I went to like 4th Street or something like
Yeah.
that. The fried chicken is next level. Best fried chicken I've ever had.
Okay.
You got rice and fried chicken, yeah?
Yeah, man. Fried chicken bad, man. Fried chicken nice.
Bad in the Jamaican way means good. How's the breast today?
Breast. Very tasteful.
Did I say breast is best?
Best. Yeah.
Nothing wrong with a bit of breast. Nothing wrong with a bit of thigh.
Breast and nothing less.
Nothing less.
Don't settle for less
Yeah.
than the juicy chicken breast. Have I got curry goat here as well?
Yeah, get curry goat as
He just a standard.
standard.
Oh, Peter. This is phenomenal food. Absolutely phenomenal. Oh, man.
Why you think when other nations come visit Jamaica, and not just Jamaica, Trinidad, Guyana, everywhere the children of Israel live, even the black community in a foreign, why you think them love the food so much? Because like what the scripture says, we are God chosen people, we do everything better. You know what I mean? So you think the YT man can cook curry goat like that? He would have to copy our recipe. He can't do nothing better than that. You understand? Yeah, man.
In this video, I'm going to show you how.
In the meanwhile, and just like the video, share, subscribe.
One of Jamaica's most tourist pulling. It have a tourist pull power to it.
I'd say it's one of its most valuable exports and products, if we're going to talk about it in business terms.
That's what I mean. So when I say, if you look on it, Jamaica have a high standard in terms of music, because
Absolutely,
if you check the greats them who do it, they left a great impact on the world. As I told you before, Vibes Cartel is one of them, because as you see with the Freedom Street concert, where there's a lot of people flying to see the concert.
Huge.
Bob Marley did it times already. Beanie Man did it. Bounty Killer. So you know the influence is still there, but the number one thing is that the government doesn't I think to make even what you asked us earlier, if we're making money from it or if there's any vision of we getting breaks from music, I think that if the government chip in, it would be much greater.
Government or society, whatever your greatest resource is. Now, if it was coal or oil, yeah, they'd be throwing tens of billions at it. Yeah. When Bob Marley first wrote his tunes here in Trenchtown, like he was trying to rise up.
Yeah, and
he was literally trying to rise up.
About what he was talking about the government at that time.
Yeah, he was.
If you listen most of the music, he's telling you that his people is not living in good conditions. He's fighting for the people. He's not even just in Trenchtown. There was at that time when he was singing, I think there was political war going.
Yeah, but watch it.
So that was one of the things that was forcing Bob Marley to sing out, because he want the change.
Yeah.
And he's calling on the government to say, chip in, do the right thing. People are dying out here for those careless reasons. So do the right thing. So as I said before, when we don't have that type of influence or that type of guidance by the government, we're gonna rely on our own instinct. So sometimes it might be negative, not for us, because there's a lot of young artists doing music, but some of them you might listen and say that they are negative music. But why are they singing negative? Because they are relying on their own instinct. There's no one there to guide them and say.
There's nothing wrong with negative music.
True, that brother you're talking. You know what I mean? So because our black leaders, them in Jamaica, you know what I mean, some of them in a government, you know what I mean, we don't say enough of leaders, them in a government, them the black, them are the Israelites, see? So nobody no care for the well-being of the youth, them like, it's like children being left to them own devices, you know what I mean? So if a man have to survive, he might go, you know what I mean, if him not have the proper way, nobody not show him the proper way, he have to go use him imagination, tell him say can't work. You understand? And that is how enough youth end up in the wrong path. And it's a generational thing. If your father been that type of youth, we never get no guidance, he might go raise it that way. Are you just not have no father? And you have to go figure it out yourself. You understand?
And why do you call it negative? Not you. Why do people call it negative anyway? Because sometimes it's a release. You know, if they're in a negative situation, if they're in a situation of violence, if they're in a situation of drugs, if they're in a situation of abuse, then it's better they make an angry music track than they go out with a gun. It's better like that they go boxing or fighting than they go out with a gun. Energy got to go somewhere. If people are downtrodden, it's got to go somewhere.
But not a lot of people think of it like how you think of it. Say that it's just a release of like expression of your inner thoughts. Not people think it's you're singing what you're actually doing. They're not thinking about the message, because as I said before with Vibes Cartel, you said that in a previous interview that most of the songs that he was singing before he went to jail was the lifestyle that he's living and what he see around him. You can't stop a man from singing what he's going through. He's trying to express himself. There's no one there to listen. So he found the stage of the world to express himself.
These are some of the ink work for genius.
Nice, What's it say? Love our enemies. Do good by those that hurt you.
Genius.
Bless those you hate. Pray for those who mistreat you. Who's Kentrop?
My son.
Yeah.
Died.
He died?
My son died.
When?
2020.
Oh, I'm so sorry, man. Yeah, how old was he?
No, I'm born for 4 days. He lived for
4 days.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. How many children do you have?
I don't got any children. Right?
Oh, mate.
No more.
Yeah. That's terrible, bro. Yeah. Oh.
You look like you are a good blogger.
Good. That's for the people that watch to decide, yeah.
No, because I say that, but I listen to you.
Okay.
So not just the look on the outside I'm talking about, but also on the inside.
Yeah.
You have to search people, you have to search.
Yeah, always scanning.
You search it from upstairs.
Yeah, you saw me up there.
Yeah.
Were you up there?
Yes,
Okay.
but I don't say nothing.
No.
But if you look on your camera,
You'll be in the background, yeah.
this close to your camera.
What's he doing?
I observe you, I
Yeah.
say, yo, wonder what this brother want from us inside of Trenchtown.
Yeah.
I
I just want the reality. But I
Yes,
don't want
I
to
know
focus
that
on
is-
negatives, I want to see the good in the community. Yeah.
I know that is what you want.
Alright, so far this brother the wisest brother so far. at least him a observe and I say, what this man want? You know what I mean?